Alright guys, welcome back to the channel once again, and in this video we are not gonna be writing any code, or we're gonna be talking about like any language or something. This is a kind of informative video, so I'm just gonna be giving you some like overview about if there are new feature or new tech is coming into the market, so how we gonna know about that. So there are a few websites. So one of the website I follow like always, and look at like if there is someone like any startup or something, they are creating any product into the world, so how you gonna know about that. And so there is a website called producthunt.com. If you are in tech or if you are experienced guy or something, so you would be already knowing about this one. Like this is very popular website, and if you are a beginner, so you should know about this one. So I always like go through with this one. If there is new feature is coming in and you just want to take a experience with some kind of motivation with that, or some kind of experience, or you just want to use those application, and if you can build something out of it, so you can use this website. And there are plenty of like tech products over here, all the apps, like thousand, I think millions of apps listed over here, and there all the company details and everything. And later on, if you also gonna be building some app or something, you have to list here over here, so that people gonna be seeing your apps, and then they're gonna be using it and reaching out to you. So that's kind of thing. And this is a kind of very known website where people come launch their app, and also some of you able to get the fundings and all for their applications for their company. So it's a kind of very good website. So you can try it out. You can use this one. And just like this React AI, someone has launched just recently. This is the very recent app has been launched today. So you see the top product launching today. Every day people are launching something. There are many companies in this world, so from all over the world people are just listing their apps over here, and then some of people go through with that. So you see the comments, and so you can just try this out and look at this. So I think this is the sort of informative video that I was just wanted to let you know, guys. So you can also list something if you have made already. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.